Hello everyone, welcome to the first ever episode of WaggaFishing&Outdoors. Today we're at a council dam that doesn't really have a name, but we've been here for about... How long have we been here for? Like, I don't know, 15 minutes. We've already caught a massive carp and two monster yabbies, and here's one right now. We're fishing with cheese and some hand lines, so hopefully we can get onto another big carp. This is the rig we're using. It's a cheese on a paternoster rig, just on a spinning combo. I'll loosen my drag because of that carp. It's dead tight. I didn't get it on film, but check it out. That'll do. And hopefully we'll get on into another big carp. Slack. I was looking over and it started blowing over. Like you're ready for bed.
Fuck sleep.
And I'll give it like, I don't know, 3 minutes, and if it comes back. It was just sitting there, wasn't it? Yeah, it looks like it's dead. Just laying there.
Using the bait.
Chop the tail up.
Yeah.
It's a big carp. You hooked up. Yeah, it's a big old carp. Jesus, don't do that. Another big carp. Jesus, that's like the same size.
So I was reeling for about 5 minutes before you're like, are you on?
Yeah, I thought it was just like the sinker dragging across.
No,
Jesus.
I just seen the almost touched the water.
Is that surely what's been over there? So, was it biting or you just reeled in and it was on?
No, the rod just started going down a little bit.
I didn't even
and
notice.
I went and saw that dunk dunk dunk. The
Yeah.
pig started reeling.
Big common carp. I'll hold it up for the camera if you want. Nice. Alright, you can go deal with him. Second fish of the day. 2 big common carp and 2 really big yabbies. You right? Awesome. It's caught on yabby meat. Oh god. Alright. Oh, is that still on? Big bite. Big bite. Yep, big fish. Yep, we're on. It's on the yabby meat. Ooh. Yep, big carp. On yabby meat. I don't know where the net is. Oh, it's over there. Oh, no, he got off. Oh, damn it. Big carp. Damn. I don't know if I hooked it or didn't hook it right, or... it definitely woke me up. I looked over and the rod's just starting to bend. That's bad luck. Probably won't come back too, because big circle hook. Oh well. Hopefully we can catch another big carp. I don't know if you guys see it, but there's a bunny rabbit just going across. It's a big rabbit. And tiny nibble on this rod. It's little tiny. So hopefully it hooks up. There's a fish swimming right there. One just jumped out there. I don't know if you see that on film. It's just right there, just swimming across, just a small carp. There's a big one jumping in that shade area. There's been fish jumping. There's fish jumping everywhere out here. Yeah, I don't know if he'll surface, but you might see him in a sec. There he is, there, swimming around. Just gonna make this on it. Just waiting for him to. Yeah, I just wanna. I got my heart pumping just now. Honestly, I can probably hook him quick enough.
Oh, I just barely hit the water.
Came off, did it?
Yeah.
Just had a nibble.
Yeah, good on me. Proud of her.
He's still there.
Yeah, I didn't really want to get rid of it. Wanted to go anyway, so.
He's still there, still there.
Yeah, there you go. She's.
Still there, still there. You can take it.
Yeah, so how much do you
Yeah.
for this part?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, he's on fish.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Yeah. 200 mil pocket.
Let's get a net. Net. It's over here.
So whatever extra I can get. Yeah, rightio. Sounds good. I might think today might have to pick up one on top. I'll tell them it has to be Mike to pick them up.
Get it. Nice.
Yeah.
My wrist. Nice. Yeah. Click mud everywhere.
Yeah. Rightio, I'll send him through. Yeah, rightio, thank you. Okay.
Hey. Are you still there? Yep. Oh, big hit. Oh. Look at it. Look at the swimmer.
Where's he going?
Nah, I missed the hook. I'll leave it out there though. Cheers for watching the video, guys. We've caught 3 yabbies, chucked one back, 3 really big carp. That was pretty nice. So yeah, we're gonna pack up and head home. Thanks for watching.